Changing the currency in your Godaddy account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Godaddy account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture or username. Then select My Account from the drop-down menu. In the My Account section, scroll down to the Settings area and click on Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various account settings, including your currency. Look for the Currency section and click on the Edit button next to it. You will now see a list of available currencies to choose from. Select the currency you want to use from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that changing your currency may affect the pricing of products and services in your account. Once you have selected your new currency, click Save to apply the changes. It is essential to note that some products and services may not be available in all currencies, so you may need to adjust your settings accordingly. Additionally, if you have any active subscriptions or pending transactions, changing your currency may impact these as well. To ensure a smooth transition, review your account settings and product listings after changing your currency. This will help you identify any potential issues and make necessary adjustments. It is also a good idea to verify that your payment methods are compatible with your new currency to avoid any payment-related problems. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the currency in your Godaddy account and manage your online presence more effectively. Remember to review and update your account settings regularly to ensure that your currency and other preferences are up to date. This will help you get the most out of your Godaddy account and achieve your online goals.